Welcome everyone. So a lot of people make very silly mistakes while rationalizing. Okay, when they're telling you to rationalize, they also mean that your answer, what you get, it has to be in the simplified form. Okay, this is something which a lot of people don't get. Okay, so what most of the people did was rationalizing. Now please understand, what do you mean by rationalizing? Rationalizing means in mathematics we don't keep the roots in the denominator. So here if there is a root which is happening in the denominator, that is not okay. Now how do you get rid of this root? All you have to do is just multiply by root 8 in your numerator as well as denominator. So now this will look like 8 root 8 plus this root 8 into root 8 will get you what? Just 8 upon. Now root 8 into root 8 in your denominator looks like just 8. Correct? So now what happens is we can take 8 common from your numerator and this root 8 will remain as it is. And denominator also has an 8. So now if you see this 8 and this 8 is cancelling. So you are left with what? Root 8 plus 1. Okay. Now this is where a lot of people thought that this is the answer. But no. Unfortunately, they had given you a simplified form in this one. So here actually you can write. See, root 8. Root 8 is nothing but what? 2 into 2 into 2. Correct? So when you want to take anything outside a root, you need to remove the pairs. So this is what? One pair. So we can say just when you take the pair out means that's just one single number outside and the root 2 continues. So similarly here the answer comes out to be 2 root 2 plus 1. Okay. This is the answer which was given in the options. Unfortunately, people thought that this was not there. So then something went wrong in the sum itself. That's it for today. I hope you have understood how to find the simplified form of roots as well. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.